आज पुलिकली खेल के लिए आए हैं। पुलिकली देखने के लिए अभी 7 घंटा हो गए 7 घंटा हो गए।
I have been watching this Pulikali since 14 years. And according to me, it's a festival of colors, festival of sound, festival of lights.
This is the biggest festival in Kerala and at Thrissur. After Thrissur Puram, there is the second biggest festival in Thrissur is Pulikali. Pulikali is we are celebrate with all Jadi Mada Vedamandi. With all peoples are we are equal in this festival. All peoples are equal in this festival. There is no other arguments, no other religion. All are equal. We are think to choose. All are equal in this festival. Thank you.
This is conducted last several years. Some for 200 years ago, only 6 people are doing Puli in a Olekya. Then there are several disputes between the teams. So around there is a across the way. Then Thrissur police was conducted Pulikali Maholsam and started competition. Then after later, Thrissur Corporation started its movement and now celebrating. This is conducted by Thrissur Corporation. In this year, 7 teams are participating in the Pulikali Maholsam. At 5 o'clock in Swaraj round, there is a play started at 5 o'clock and it will end at 9 o'clock. 7 teams are participating and each team having 2 tableaus and each team have 51 puli and drums holders. They are conducting dance at Swajas round towards full one round, that is 2.5 kilometer.